Hi everybody, Taco Tech Tips here. We're going back to tech. No more gaming for a little while. Today we got the MPOW X3 True Wireless earbuds. These are $50 to $60 earbuds, and they have actual active noise cancellation and a lot of nice features. They're also IPX8, and they have 4 microphones, so you get extra good call quality. Let's take a look at them. So, outer box, and let's take that out. So, oh wow, they just pop right out. So you get a instruction manual here. Not really anything important. Let's put that aside. Get a charging case. It's Type C. It's a fat boy. It's fatter than the AirPods, but bigger battery also. Here are the headphones themselves. Put that aside for a sec. This is nothing. What's this? What else we got? Here you get. What's this? What is it? There it is. And here you're gonna get. See what you got in here. Get okay, looks like the charging cable. So yeah, it's a nice little Type C mini cable here. Looks like yeah, it looks like ear tips. You get various ear tips, and small, medium, large. So let's take a look at these guys. So they don't look like AirPods at all. And you know, you got the little MPOW logo there. Overall, they did sound very good. When I tried them, they do block out background noise when you have your sound in the mid-level. The bass is really punchy, and battery life is good. I haven't had to put them back in the case to charge, actually, at all. Let's look at the case real quick. So you got a little battery indicator right there as well. So this is the MPOW X3s. For the price you pay, it's actually really good. They're on sale for $50 right now. They're usually $60, which you know is not a big difference, but $10 is still $10. So if you want them, you can go grab them off Amazon. There'll be some links in the description if you want. That's about it. Let me know if you have any questions about these TWS ANC earbuds here. Until then, please like and subscribe and leave some comments. I'd like to know what you guys think of these guys here. Till then, see you next time.